was something wrong. I just never read between the lines. Then I woke up one day and found you on your way, leaving nothing but my heart behind. What can I do to make it up to you? Promises don't come easy, but tell me if there's a way to bring you back home to stay. Well, I'd promise anything to you. I've been walking around with my head hanging down, wondering what I'm gonna do. 'Cause when you walked out that door, I knew I needed you more than to take a chance on losing you. What can I do to make it up to you? Promises don't come easy. You know I've made up my mind to make it worth this time. That's a promise that I give to you. You never thought I loved you. I guess you never thought I cared. Well, I was just too proud to say it out loud. Now I know to let my feelings go. So tell me, what can I do to make it up to you? Promises don't come easy. You know I've made up my mind, don't make it worth this time. That's a promise I can give to